mother's maiden name. Thank you.
Dementia is something that I think every family is touched by. One of the things that we hear from families so often is, I don't know what to say anymore.
The House of Memories workshop is an amazing place for people to come and get tools like the My House of Memories app and learn skills like how to build a memory suitcase or a memory tree and use objects to spark conversation and connection with the people they care for living with dementia.
People who are living with dementia, as we learned in the training today, tend to feel really lonely and feel like they don't have a purpose.
This House of Memory project is going to be a wonderful way to have the caregivers interact in a more meaningful way.
It's so easy to fall into, do you remember this or do you remember that? And that can sometimes provoke anxiety with someone who has memory issues. So to have an app that you can point to a picture and ask a very imaginative question that doesn't cause someone anxiety if they can't come up with an answer right away is just going to be so useful.
That is so fun.
There is so much that is just a wealth of information for those who are serving people with dementia.
That's my mom and dad's period of time.
Es un programa que nos ayuda a conectarnos con las personas que tienen esta condición y nos ayuda a conocer más sobre su historia y su experiencia, porque a pesar de que están perdiendo la memoria, hay muchas cosas que nosotros podemos hacer para mejorar su calidad de vida.
The Love Boat, yes.
The part of the training that jumped out the most for me was when the trainer said to the group, you can have a museum in your pocket. And that was just a light bulb for me, because working in senior housing, it's not always feasible to get people on a bus and to travel to a museum.
You can have fun with people with dementia, and it's not just about making it about their cares or making sure they take their medicine or the basic daily needs. It's more just about having quality time.
Una persona con esta condición, pues la vida no termina, la vida continúa y hay muchísimas oportunidades para seguir disfrutando con sus seres queridos.
It absolutely is for everybody.
Families and friends, caregivers, this is for everyone. If you know someone who's living with dementia, you have just found an amazing, amazing tool that's going to help their day be better and your day be better, no matter who you are.